What's up, everybody? My name's Victor and welcome back to Garage Days Miami. In today's episode, we're going to be working on the exterior of the truck, getting it ready for Raptor Line. Alright, so it's all sanded down. Waiting now to just rinse it down. Wipe it down with some denatured alcohol. And get to paint. Alright guys, it is masked. Now we're moving on to just the final prep, which is just rub it down with some denatured alcohol, get it all cleaned up, and then we can start spraying that Raptor liner. Alright, we are ready to paint finally. Now, I'm gonna be using a different spray gun actually for this one. I'm gonna be using the Raptor Vari-Nozzle. Supposedly, I can get different types of texture by turning the knob on the front. One is also $20, the other one is 60 bucks. So let's see what it does. Alright, this is the new one, the Raptor Vari-Nozzle, which this one supposedly will let me change the texture just by turning this knob right here. So depending on how many times I turn it, I get a different texture. Now, I've been using the custom coat gun, which also kind of has the same principle. Comes out and comes in. I had this one turned out 2 times every time I used it. Like I said, I have no idea if this one actually adjusts the texture or not, but that's what I was using. Kind of look the same. Kind of look the same, but you can see there right after, before the tip, has like a little bulk there. I have no idea what's inside there, so that might be the difference, apart from the price anyways. We're gonna find out now. I'm gonna mix some paint. I'm gonna try a few test patterns before I start spraying the truck. guys, it is another day, and today we're going to be focusing on putting the truck back together again. We need the fenders back on, the hood back on, we need all the windows back on, the weather stripping back on, things like that. The only thing we're not going to put back on are the rear fenders and the bed. We're not going to bolt any of that on because the bed is going to get painted in black. Also need the roof rack in black and the Nerf bars in black. Alright guys, that is it for today's episode. We are getting this close to finishing up that truck and I can finally drive it. Now my next question is, should I paint the interior? The interior is a tan color. Obviously it's not going to probably go too well with that gray exterior now. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Should I paint it? Should I not? And if you guys are enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you guys are notified anytime there is a new episode up. And if you like this episode, hit that like button. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.